Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of our group, let me briefly introduce myself. My name is Indi Deningsi and my team.
My name is Wafik Azizah.
My name is Junior Saiputri. My name is Nur Hikmah.
And we are third accounting student at Tribakti School of Business. Today, I'm here to talk to you about the financial statement. The purpose of this presentation is to explain the concept, types, and importance of financial position. Our talk is divided into 5 parts. First, I will explain to you about the definition of financial statements. Second, types of financial statement. Third, user of financial statement. Fourth, example of financial statement. And the last is conclusion. Now, let's move to the main part. The definition of financial statement. A financial statement is a structured document that presents information about an entity's performance and financial position and cash flow over a certain period. The main purpose of financial position are first, to provide useful financial information for making decisions. Second, to show management accountability in using resources. Third, to serve for investors, creditors, and others to making economic decisions. And fourth, to evaluate company's performance and condition. Now, let's move on to the next part.
Now, types of financial statement. In practice, there are 5 main types of financial statement. First, balance sheet shows assets, liabilities, and equity at the end of a period. It reflects the company's owns and what it owns. Second, income statement displays revenues and expense during a period, showing the company profit or loss. Third, statement of owner's equity explains change in the owner's capital. Next, fourth, statement of cash flow shows cash inflows and outflows from operating, investing, and financing activities, helping assess the company's cash health. The last note to financial statement provide the task explanation and accounting policies. These 5 reports are interconnected and together give a complete picture of a company's financial condition. Now, let's move on to the next part.
Now, the users of financial statement. There are 2 main groups who use financial statement: internal and external users. First, internal users, management and employees. Management to evaluate performance and make strategic decisions, and employees to understand company stability and their prospect for salaries or bonuses. Next, external users, investor to assess whether the company toward investing in, and creditor or banks to evaluate the company's ability to repay them, and government to determine tax obligation and legal compliance. And the last, public to understand company's social contribution and sustainability. Now, let's take a look at simple example to help you understand better. Now, example of financial statement. A simple example of financial statement is the balance sheet. It shows the basic accounting equation. Asset equal liabilities plus equity. This means all research owned by the company come from 2 sources, debt and owner's capital. For example, a company own asset worth 25 million rupiah. This asset are financed 5 million rupiah in debt and 20 million rupiah in capital. That's why the balance must always stay balanced. Let's wrap up this presentation with a short conclusion.
Now, let's move to the conclusion of our presentation. Financial statements play a very important role in business and economy. They help various parties such as management, investor, creditor, and audit make better and more accurate decisions and will inform economy decisions. That's all our presentation for today. We hope the material we presented can be useful in the future. Thank you and goodbye.